Plastic bottles are produced every day inside highly automated factories. Inside the factory, powerful machines operate continuously to produce thousands of bottles. The process begins with small plastic pellets which act as the main raw material. Workers load these pellets into machines that feed the production system. The pellets travel through pipes toward powerful heating equipment. Inside the heaters, the pellets melt and turn into liquid plastic. The liquid plastic is shaped into small tubes called preforms. Robotic arms quickly remove the hot preforms from the molds. The preforms move along conveyor belts toward the next stage. Workers inspect the preforms carefully to maintain quality. The preforms are reheated to make them soft and flexible. The heated preforms are placed into blow molding machines. Compressed air expands the plastic to match the mold shape. Within seconds, the final bottle shape is created. The finished bottles move quickly along the production line. Quality inspectors check every bottle for defects. The bottles are washed to remove dust and particles. Drying machines prepare the bottles for packaging. Engineers test the durability and strength of each bottle. Robots organize the bottles into groups for packaging. Packaging machines prepare the bottles for shipment. Forklifts move the packaged bottles across the warehouse. Finally, the bottles are delivered to beverage companies around the world.